All right, we're back on the water, and we've got two guests with us. That one and that one. So, and I know the big guy right here, Jake, otherwise known as Tripod, is going to try to eat whatever fish I bring aboard. So, and he's a heavy dog, so if he gets jostling around too much, we may be going overboard, but we'll see what happens. There you go, GoPro set up here. We'll get the GoPro set up and I'll come back with you. Sorry for any filming difficulties, but Jake won't move so I can secure my camera the way I need to, but we'll just see how this works. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I got that one I was using last time. We got that lure out there. We're fitting to start trolling with a little bit before we get to our first spot to try it. Now the other dog's over here panting. I got him some water in here, but he won't drink it even though it's not hot. I'm having trouble with this battery. You can get no connection on it. Come on. Oh, my positive got disconnected somehow. That's why we're not getting any power. Not how that happened. Come on now, I need some power. Hang on, let me get this doggone motor figured out. I got the motor running. All right. Dang it! At least I thought it did. Why is this doggone thing not wanting to work? The motor's fully charged. Third time's charm. There we go. Well, I can't do much trolling because we done drifted about all the way to where I was gonna go. Going right over there into them trees. Alright, since the wind is blowing mighty hard, I'm going to go ahead and drop anchor right here. Back sitting on anchor. Get everything set up here and then I'll continue. Alright, got everything set up. About to grab the pole and time about making fishing. cool today compared to all the hot days it's been, so hopefully they'll be back pretty good. And hopefully my GoPro won't overheat this time. Oh, that's snag a tree. I was liking this the other day. Don't look like they're liking it today. Maybe try something else. Well, I don't have too much top water actually. Even though it's cool, it's a little windy out here. Try a worm. Thankfully, well, the rod's already got a worm on it, so I ain't even got to reach out anything. There's the rod. Swing it over here. I'm trying to get a small outboard for this boat, but you just can't find a good outboard cheap these days. I want to get a small outboard for it and then put this trolling motor up front along with some decking. Deck off a battery and some gas tanks and stuff I'll need for that small outboard if I ever get one. Right now this Minn Kota is just going to have to work for us. Get mighty close to that stump dollar. Y'all both over there panting. I gave y'all a choice not to come, but y'all wanted to come. I'm gonna try another edge nap today. So let me know what y'all think in the comments once we get done with it. Trying going back towards the middle and dropping in a deeper spot. And again, we're gonna troll while we're on the way over there, so just get this anchor up and time to surround the stump right here. That ain't good. Back around the stump. got one of these. We got two wet dogs in here. Cause both of them had to go jump in for a swim before they got in the boat. All right, I'll turn around. Get this other. Get that back in the water trolling. So if y'all know anywhere I could get a small outboard that's gonna be reliable and cheap, just let me know. Let me know down there in them comments. This wind's gonna be blowing us all around today. And that's another reason why I need outboards, just to kind of counteract this wind, because whenever I decide to go fishing, that's when it decides to start get windy. And see this trolling motor, how fast we're going with it. We're barely moving. Hey, barely moving. I'd still rather do this than paddle. I'm too lazy to paddle. I can't do that. I'm too lazy to paddle. Oh, it's blowing us off course. A little bit deeper right here. We're gonna still drop anchor. If we don't, I think we'll go just a little bit further. We ain't having any luck trolling like we did last time. Not as deep as I thought it was here. Alright, we got the anchor back down in the water. Now we just gotta see about catching us a fish. Getting action off of this one. Finally, makes no time. Y'all see that fish jump over there? now. Jake. Oh, Bo, you want to go to the shore now? Come on, I'll take you to the shore. We ain't getting nothing. Let me take him to the shore right quick. I'll do some trolling on the way up there. Starting to see some topwater action. I don't know if it's going to contribute to anything. So we're going to put that same old lure back out there. Supposed to be a miracle, but I don't know about that. Little track. Oh yeah, might have to pull our anchor up. Might have to just a wee bit. Just thought of that. Yeah, that might have just a little bit. Here, and I got clay all over my britches. Alright, try to do some more trolling on my head in. Let one or both of these dogs out. Do what? Yes. 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 Yeah, Bo wants to get off. Oh, we got a fish. But if it wasn't big, somehow he made it feel big. I think we just found the miracle bait of the day. First cast, and I just got it down there. I was finna start filming. That's when he got it. I didn't even move from where I put the bait on at. I mean, he's a small one, but it's better than nothing. Doggone it, son, you had to swallow the hook, didn't you? Swallow the hook. See if I got anything in my tackle box to help. I'll turn it off while I try to find. Got the hook off. I don't know if he's gonna survive though. Bet it messed up his stomach pretty bad, but kiss him, bless him. And he's sitting there floating on top of the water. I got anything. Where's my paddle at? On my net, my net work too. Grab one in the net and I'll try to get some oxygen to him. My GoPro will stay right there. Well, now that I got my net open, he done floated right back up to the boat. Alright, I got him. Got some oxygen in him. There's any. I don't know if he's gonna make it. He just keeps floating. He may be turtle food. Maybe turtle food. I'm just gonna throw him and hope for the best. We're gonna put another worm on and see if we can't get us another fish. This time hopefully he won't swallow the hook. Come back whenever I got another worm on. Alright, I got another one on there. Another fish is still floating right there. See if anything gonna get this one. I'm going after no more. I guess today is not a very good fishing day. That's not a maintenance camera over there. We're gonna try taking. Is it any better? About to check the weather. I'm about to head in because I ain't having no more luck. We ain't had much luck all day. Only fish we caught was that one right there that's floating dead. I guess before I go, I'll grab him, put him in the live well. It just says 20% rain at 4 o'clock. It's only 3 o'clock right now. Fish didn't have much luck. I'm gonna turn off the camera and try a few more casts. If I get any bites, I'll turn it back on.